whenever Birds of Paradise put on a production, they make sure that they involve able-bodied and disabled actors, so they kind of give a platform to disabled artists that are out there. They also make sure that their productions are all fully accessible, so subtitles, like captioning and audio description and signing, they're all kind of integrated into the performance so that it's not a separate thing from the play itself, so that all kinds of audiences can come to see the play and get everything from it that everyone can get the same thing from the one show.
The play is about two characters called Laura and Jake, who have agreed to meet up on an online dating website. So the play is set in Laura's home in her bedroom, and it begins with them meeting for the first time, the first moments. Obviously they've sent some text messages, and yeah, it's about Jake coming to Laura's flat to have some no-thrills sex for the evening. And over the course of the evening, Jake realises he has misread some of Laura's text messages, and yeah, things take a little twist, and then it kind of goes into the characters' preconceptions of what they thought was going to happen, and actually what they get is something totally different. But it is a comedy, it's very funny, and yeah, it's a joy to do.
Yeah, I think so, definitely. I think you have to have that side of you in order to really kind of push the boundaries of creativity in order to allow it to be accessible to everyone and still entertaining, and kind of push the boundaries with what the play is actually trying to tell you as well. I think you have to have a bit of crazy in you.
I think each individual person brings their own part of crazy to it. In the rehearsal room, this is a co-production, so there was two directors, and obviously myself and Amy coming at it with different ideas, and the script was set, but we were always playing, and we were always trying to push things too far or take it back and see if it worked. So I mean, rehearsals were very, very good and very funny, and yeah, I think everyone has a bit of crazy, but it's all those bits of crazy coming together that creates a little bit of magic.